In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video on Wix website. We'll start in the Wix editor, add a YouTube player to your page, choose the exact video you want, tweak a couple of playback settings, and then publish your site so visitors can watch it live. Open your Wix editor for the site you want to edit. Once you're in the canvas, look to the left toolbar and open the Add Elements panel. From here, go to the Video and Music section. You'll see several options, including Wix Video, Video Box, Video Mask, and Transparent Video. These are great for different use cases, but for a direct YouTube embed, we'll use the Single Video Players area. Open Single Video Players, choose YouTube, and then select a video player style you like. Click to add it to the page, or drag and drop it into place. You can resize and align it just like any other element, so position it where it fits best in your layout. With the YouTube player selected, look for the Settings panel and click Change Video. This opens the video selection window. Choose Search Videos, then use the search bar to find your YouTube video by title or keywords. If you already have the exact YouTube link, you can paste it into the search field to jump straight to it. Once you see the video you want, click it, and then hit Add. The player on your page will update to show that video. Next, fine-tune how the video behaves. In the Settings panel, you can enable autoplay if you want the video to start as soon as the page loads. Keep in mind, many browsers only allow autoplay when the video is muted, and autoplay may be limited on mobile devices. You can also adjust other common options like showing controls or setting a custom start time, so the video begins exactly where you want. Preview the page to confirm everything looks and plays correctly. If the video feels out of place, try resizing the player, snap it to your grid or guides, and ensure it doesn't crowd important content above the fold. When you're happy with the video, it's time to make it live. Click Publish in the top right, confirm the publish, and then click Done. Your changes are now live on your site. Visit your live page to double-check playback and test on mobile view to ensure it fits